Welcome to J's Science Hub. Today we are going to study about blood and its components. Let's move into the video.
Blood is a special connective tissue. The speciality is that the matrix is not secreted by the blood cells. Blood presents in liquid form due to the presence of fluid matrix called plasma. The matrix contains cells called red blood cells, white blood cells, and cellular fragments called platelets. When blood is centrifuged and kept aside, there will be two different layers. The dark red layer, which is 45% of blood, consists of blood corpuscles, while the pale yellow layer, which is about 55% of blood, contains the plasma. 92% of blood plasma is water. Other than water, proteins, nutrients, nitrogenous waste, hormones, enzymes, gases, and ions are present in blood plasma. Blood corpuscles. Among blood corpuscles, red blood cells, which is also known as erythrocytes, are present in higher number. This blood gains its red color. Erythrocytes are biconcave disc-like cells which form in bone marrow, which has a lifespan of 4 months. In 1 mm³ blood, about 5 million red blood cells are present. Red blood cells are engaged in transferring of oxygen. They have two adaptations for efficient transfer of oxygen. The absence of nucleus in red blood cells provides a large surface area to absorb more oxygen, and they have a special pigment called hemoglobin, which have a strong affinity towards oxygen. Oxygen binds with hemoglobin, forms oxyhemoglobin, and transport throughout the body. White blood cells, also known as leukocytes, are larger in size, but they are lesser in number. They have nuclei and they form in bone marrow. They are colorless. In 1 mm³ blood, nearly 4,000 to 11,000 white blood cells can be present. According to the presence of granules, they can be differentiated into two groups as granulocytes and non-granulocytes. Granulocytes are further divided into neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. Non-granulocytes also can be divided into two types, lymphocytes and monocytes. WBC destroy infectious particles that enter the body by phagocytosis. Therefore, the percentage of white blood cells increase above the normal level in microbial infections. The function of white blood cells is to protect the body from infectious particles that enter the body. This is done by phagocytosis and by producing antibodies. Platelets. Platelets are the cell fragments which present in blood. They are engaged in blood clotting. They form in bone marrow and have a lifespan of 5 to 7 days.
Give like to the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to J's Science Hub for more videos.